In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a shareable link in TERABOX so you can easily send files or folders to anyone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open TERABOX app on your phone and then find the folder or file that you want to share and select it. Now, in my case, I'm going to click the share button at the bottom part of the screen. And of course, as I've mentioned, share the files. For example, I'm going to be choosing this TERABOX Beginner's Guide PDF. Click on it and click the share button. Now, all I have to do is copy the link that was automatically generated by TERABOX link. Okay, it's up to you. Copy that link. Now, you can simply send that link to your email, attach it. It's up to you. Now, another option is click the share button, and then you can share it to your friends, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, Discord, and more. It's up to you. Now, you can also set a private link if you wanted, and you have the extraction code, which is going to be at the bottom here. You want to make sure that you don't share that extraction code for added security so that only certain people can access your file. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to create a TERABOX link, which is super quick, easy, and safe. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.